Hello scholars, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great at home, and I also hope that you are watching the videos regularly and studying every day. So far in our English class we have completed 4 chapters from our literature textbook and 4 chapters from our grammar textbook. Okay? In today's class we are going to start with the 5th chapter. So, I want you all to get ready with your grammar textbook, page number 21. Let's start with the chapter name. Put your finger. Singular, singular, and plural, plural, singular and plural. So, children, before we get into details here, first of all, what are nouns? Let's revise once. Nouns are names of persons, places, animals and birds, and things, right? So, we have singular nouns and plural nouns. Now, what does that mean? Let's read from the screen here. A singular noun names one person, place, thing, okay, and a plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. That means if you look on the screen here, if there is one cat, it is CAT, cat, we say one cat. Now if there are many, okay, what do we say? Cats, that is more than one. So here one is singular and plural is cats, that is more than one. Okay, anything more than one is plural. I hope that is clear. Now, let's see what's written in page number 21. We'll read the line written in blue. Circle the singular nouns in green and the plural nouns in red. So, we have to circle the singular nouns, that means nouns that show one in green color and plural nouns in red color. So, get ready with your green and red colors. Alright, let's start. Johnny and Billy, bushy tail, were two little squirrels. So, in this sentence, what's the singular or plural noun? Can you find it out? Squirrels. Squirrels is plural form. Yes, because it is with an S. That means more than one. And we are talking about two. Yes, two is more than one, isn't it? So, plural, squirrels. So, circle squirrels with red. They lived with their grandparents in a nest on a tall tree. Okay, so they lived with their grandparents, grandparents, that is with an S again, alright, grandfather and grandmother, more than one person, so it is plural again, circle with red. In a nest on a tall tree, tree is one, on a tall tree, one tree, so that is singular, circle it with green. One day, they went for a walk with their cousin Jenny. So, one day they went for a walk with their cousin. Here cousin means one, right? So, circle it with green. They admired the green leaves of their home. Green leaves. Again an S. Yes. So, circle it with red. That is plural. More than one. Then they spotted some ducks. Ducks is plural. Circle it with red. Swimming in a pond. Pond is singular again. Green color. Johnny was irritated as flies kept sitting on his nose. Flies. Flies were sitting on his nose. Flies is plural. Circle it with red. At least they are not bugs that bite. Bugs, plural again. Circle it with red. Said Jenny. Next. We have learnt about singular and plural nouns. We know that a noun that stands for one person, animal, place or thing is in the singular number. And a noun that stands for more than one person, animal, place or thing is the plural number. Alright, we already learned this. So, one person, animal, place or thing is a singular number. Okay, and more than one, be it two or any number, it will be plural number, right? So, that we call it as plural noun. Now, let's move on, okay? Look on the screen here. What do you see? There is one girl, G-I-R-L, girl. But when it is more than one, what it is written? G-I-R-L-S, girls, right? We have added S. So, most of the nouns are changed to their plural forms by adding S. The same way, look on the screen here. Cow, cows. Tiger, tigers. Bear, bears. Camel, camels. Alright, I hope you got it. Now, there is another rule, okay? Look at this picture. You have one fox, okay? And if it is more than one, we did not add S, we added E. It is added ES, right? Fox, foxes. So, there is a rule that certain words ending with S, SS or SH, CH or X, these words are added with ES to change them to plural form. Alright. For example, right from the book I am giving you, bus, buses, glass, glasses. Okay. ES is added to these words. Now, let's move to another rule. Look at these words on the screen. H-O-B-B-Y, hobby. Here, hobby is ending with the letter Y. So, some words that end in Y, to change them into their plural forms, we change Y, we drop Y, we remove Y and add I-E-S, that is hobbies. In the same way, the next word do you see? F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. So, here we will drop Y and we add I-E-S, families. The next word, F-R-Y, fry. So, Y we drop it, I-E-S, F-R-I-E-S, fries. Hobby, hobbies. Family, families. Fry, fries. All the Y's are changed to I-E-S. So, this is an other rule. Okay. So, Y changes to I-E-S and some words change to E-S. Some words are added by E-S and then most of the words are changed to their plural forms by adding S. Now, let's move to another rule. Now, look at the screen. C-A-L-F, calf. Calf is ending with the letter F. So, words ending with F or F-E change to V-E-S. Just like how we dropped Y and added I-E-S, the same way F or F-E changes to V-E-S. Like C-A-L-F, calf. C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. The next word, K-N-I-F-E, knife. F-E we drop and write in K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. In the same way, leaf, leaves. Wolf, wolves. Wife, wives. Alright. Now, you got to remember all these rules and then we will proceed further and do the exercises. Okay, turn to page number 22. Let's read the question A. Change these nouns into their plural forms. So whatever rules that we learned so far, we will apply and change these to their plural forms. Alright. Dog, dogs. Just add an S. Write down. Shelf, ending with F. So when it is ending with F, what do we add? We remove F and add VES. So that will be SHEL, shell, VES, shelves. Number 3, ending with F, calf. So we remove F and add VES, CALVES, calves. Number 4, CHERRY, cherry. CHERR, remove Y and write down IES. That's right. Now toe, toes. Okay, add an S. GAS, gas. Some words, as we said, ending with S, we add ES. So that will be gases. GASES, gases. I want you to do the remaining from 7 to 12 now and then check with the answers given on the screen here. Alright. And now let's move further. Let's read what is written in the same page. Alright. Put your finger below the sentence. Let us look at some of the other ways in which we can change singular nouns to plural nouns. Okay, there are some other ways how singular nouns are changed to plural nouns, some other rules. Let's see. In some cases, when nouns end in F, the plural form is formed by simply adding an S. Like what we read as a rule that F changes to VES. But it says there are certain words, though they are ending with F, we just add S to make it a plural form. Okay, like roof, roofs. Next line. If there is a vowel A-E-I-O-U before the Y, we add an S to change the number. For example, R-A-Y, ray, race. Toy, toys. So before the Y, if there is a vowel, then we do not add I-E-S. What do? We just add S. This is another rule, remember. Some singular nouns which end in O, okay, words which end in O become plural by adding ES, alright, like potato, potatoes, we add ES. The same way tomato, tomatoes, ES we add. Next line. Some singular nouns ending in O become plural by adding an S. Okay. In some, though they are ending with O, we do not add ES, only add S, like piano, pianos. Alright, I hope that's clear. Now children, there are certain other rules as well, wherein some words are always used in their plural form, like trousers, scissors. We do not use them as scissor or trouser. Okay, it is always spoken in a plural form. Alright. And there are some words which do not have a plural form separately. They remain the same in both singular and plural form. Like for example given here, deer, sheep. Alright. Let's move to page number 23. Let's do the exercise B. We have learned that some nouns change completely when they form their plurals. Match the columns in this table. Okay. Some nouns change completely. Okay. They do not follow any of the rules we have learned so far. They just change. The words change when they are changed to a plural form. Let's see. First one in singular. A woman. Okay. W-O-M-A-N, woman. Now, woman when changed to plural form, we do not add S or ES, any of these. it is changed to woman. W-O-M-E-N, woman. Okay. In the same way, second one, a man. M-A-N, man. Okay. And when it is changed to plural form, it is M-E-N, man. And children, one thing you have to notice here, that whenever we are talking about singular nouns, we either use a before the word or an. Okay. Always with singular, a or an goes with them. Alright. Remember this. Number 3, a child. When it is one, it is a child. But when you are many, what do we say? Children. So match it. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. A. Number 4, a foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Now how many you have? 2, more than 1. So it is feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Number 5, a tooth. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. And when it changes, it is teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Next, a mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Now, plural form of mouse is not mouses. It is mice. M-I-C-E, mice. Written in D. Match it. I hope you all have done it. Let's move to section C. Rewrite these sentences by changing the highlighted singular nouns to plural nouns. So, in green color you see there are some words which are singular nouns. Okay. We will have to change them to their plural nouns. Alright. The nurse looked after the baby. So, here nurse is singular. What is the plural form of nurse? Nurses. Write down N-U-R-S-E-S. Nurses looked after the baby. Baby is ending with Y. So, in plural form it is babies with an I-E-S. Remove Y. Write down I-E-S. So, that will be B-A-B-I-E-S. I hope you have done it. Number 2. The gardener picked up the dry leaf. So, plural form of gardener, gardeners picked up the dry leaf. Leaf ending with F. What is the rule? F changes to V-E-S. So, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, plural form. Write it down. You can write these words just above those, okay? Number 3. The thief got into the house. Thief, ending with F. Now, F changes to V-E-S. So, that will be thieves. T-H-I-E-V-E-S. Thieves. Number 4. The child celebrated Eid. So, we just learned what child in plural form is. Children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. I want you to try the remaining 5, 6, 7 and then I'll give you the answers in a bit on the screen. Then you can cross check. Alright. Let's move to section D. Complete these pairs by writing singular and plural nouns as necessary. Okay. So, there are dashes. One in singular form, the other one in plural form. Accordingly, we have to fill it in. Now, 1 dash, many aeroplanes. That means if it is 1, what do you write for aeroplanes? It is aeroplane. Just remove the S, write down aeroplane. Number 2, 1 stereo. Okay, 1 stereo. Then many stereos. You will just add an S. Alright. Number 3, 1 dash, 5 books. So, singular form of books, it is B-O-O-K, book. Done? Alright. Next one, 1 dash, many diaries. D-I-A-R-I-E-S. I-E-S, when do we write? Replace what? Y. So, it is D-I-A-R-Y, diary. Okay, write down. Number 5, one matchstick. One matchstick. So many, it will be matchsticks. Just add an S. Then number 6, one wolf. Many, F changes to V-E-S. So write down W-O-L-V-E-S. Wolves. One wolf, many wolves. So here I am giving you the answers on the screen. Just cross check. So children, we are done with this chapter. What are the rules that we have learned today to change singular nouns to plural nouns? Let's revise. Most times you just add S, but words that end with Y, you drop the Y, you remove Y and add IES. Some words ending with CH, S, SH, X or Z or S or double S, you add ES. And then words ending with F or FE, you drop them and add VES. Alright, I want you to read the rules again which are given in the same chapter. We will stop here for today. The worksheet related to this chapter is in the link given in the description box below. Click on it and you will find it. Make sure you do the worksheet. And it's time for today's good habit. The good habit for today is save water. Water is very precious. It helps to save our environment. So, whenever you use water from the taps, make sure you turn off the taps properly. Even while brushing your teeth in the morning or in the night, while you're brushing, make sure the tap is closed. Okay, it is off. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe at home.